Hi, today we're going to talk about this leaf here. It's a mint leaf. Make sure you always wash it when you get it from the store. Mint leaf is mint leaf, peppermint or spearmint leaf. You can use that. I take usually I break it up, a couple leaves, put in water. It'll make it smell good. And also, when you drink it, it's very good for your breath, very good for your stomach. You can boil this and put it in the pot and make peppermint tea or spearmint tea out of it. So, something you can do. It's just a leaf right here. Again, you just break one off like this, maybe about 5 of these. Put in a container like this in your drinking water. And as a footnote, you can also use cucumbers. You can slice up cucumbers and put in your water as well. So, something to look into. So, if you have any other suggestions of what to put in your water, definitely DM me, and you can show your support by passing the message along about this channel. Also, support my candles, www.royalty9international.com, and support the candles. And also, you could donate to my PayPal, evolutionoflondon@gmail.com. I definitely could use your support. And again, if you have some suggestions, you definitely can email me of what other vegetables you can put in your water. So definitely let me know. And what else? Yeah, you can support the YouTube channel, Mr. Evolution of London, health and wellness channel as well. And I will have the information there for you. Thank you.